खारजा सेक्रेटरी हर्षवर्धन श्रृंगला ने बड़ा दावा किया है कि नए अफगान हुक्मरानों ने हिंदुस्तान के साथ अच्छे ताल्लुकात का इशारा दिया है। ताहम हुकूमत हिंद ने इस बारे में कोई फैसला नहीं किया है। इससे पहले भी तालिबान रहनुमाओं ने भारतीय सफीर से मुलाकात की थी। श्रृंगला ने कहा कि इस वक्त हम तालिबान के हवाले से आलमी सरगर्मियों की निगरानी कर रहे हैं। खास तौर पर पाकिस्तान पर हमारी कड़ी नजर है।
Secretary for Arms Control, Dr. Jenkins, and essentially, as you know, we have a strategic dialogue with the US. This was not part of the dialogue, but this is just a way of getting to know Under Secretary Jenkins, who was just taken over a few weeks ago. Yesterday, the ambassador introduced us also to the Under Secretary for Economy. I would say I've met the Under Secretary of Political Affairs for Economy and Arms Control in this one visit, so it was very good coverage from that point of view. Obviously, very much engaged with the US side on Afghanistan, on the situation there, the role of Pakistan there, the possible and of course looking at how the situation would evolve in that country, and larger, of course, regional and multilateral issues which are always of interest to all countries.